Madeline walking with her walker. You big girl. Who's a big girl? It's Madeline. Madeline's walking with her walker. That's pretty good. And you're making funny noises. Okay, let's go walk this way. Walk that way. There you go. Go that way. Good job. Okay, I'll get in front so you follow me. Okay, come on. Are you going to crawl? It's faster. Crawl over to Grandma's feet? Nope. You're going to go for the dog food, aren't you? All the way across the kitchen. I don't know how she knows it's there. Thankfully the bowl is empty. Got the water bowl. Okay.